Use a crowbar to loosen the small shell of the vehicle's rainwater sensor. Push the big housing of the sensor forward. Unplug this connector. Connect it to our adapter socket. Connect our wires to the vehicle sensors. Connect the power cord of the dashcam. Align the two orange clips of the dashcam with the slots of the vehicle. Push the dashcam backwards. Insert the wire back into the dashcam. Put on this small shell. The flashing blue light indicates that the dashcam is working. Connect the GPS. Tear off the GPS protective film. Mount the GPS on the top right side of the front windshield. Arrange the wiring harness and hide it inside the ceiling. Connect the OBD power cord and rear camera cable. Lay out the power cord along the gap at the top of the pillar. Pull on the small shell. Lay the rear-view camera cable along the gap at the top of the pillar. Pull open the ceiling strip of the dooring. Remove the decorative panel on the left side of the center console to lay wiring. The gap along the pillar, place the power cord and rear camera cable. Remove the decorative panel of the driver's seat threshold. Plug in the OBD power supply. Lay the wiring along the ceiling strip beside the driver's threshold. Restore the side decorative panel and the threshold decorative panel and insert the wiring harness into the ceiling strip. Continue to wire backward along the ceiling strip. Cover the main driver's door sill decorative panel. Line down along the B pillar on the left side of the driver's seat. Remove the decorative panel on the left rear door threshold. Line along the left rear threshold to the C pillar. Cover the left rear threshold decorative panel back. Line along the C pillar to the gap in the ceiling. Wire along the upper gap of the C pillar to the rear windshield. Install the rear view camera and connect the rear view camera cable. The cable management and installation have been completed.